Kgwetlho sekema sa thuso ya madi ya baithuti e ntse e tsweletse. Ayanda Skosana ke moithuti wa LLB kwa University ya Afrika Borwa, mme a re o diegile go amogela madi a gagwe.
The NSFAS have paid my registration late, and I haven't even got my book allowance, and I have prescribed books which I have to pay, and I don't have money to pay for those books.
Go le jalo matsapa ke fa go sena kwa ba ka bonang dikarabo tsa dipotso tsa bone.
We sometimes caught in between the institution and NSFAS, and we wouldn't know what to do or what to say, but just to be patient and wait for NSFAS to do the payments.
We end up having students being unable to be fully registered, because if you check, an institution will have a time frame where it says that they're closing the registration period, but then NSFAS allocates 2 weeks prior or earlier after the institution has already closed their registration.
Baithuti bangwe ba re jaanong ba setse ka dikoloto ka ntlha go adima madi go reka gareng ga tse dingwe dibuka.
We are calling on the Department of Higher Education, and we are also calling on the chairperson of the NSFAS board and the entire board members to look into this matter and resolve the issues of students and distribute money accordingly as soon as possible.
Sibueledi sa NSFAS Kagiso Mamabolo a re setheo se tlile go simolola go duela mo kgweding ya April. Molemo wa SABC News, Pretoria.